Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect this wired headphone to this device. So in this device there is no port for the headphone. You can see at the bottom of the device, you can see the top also, you will not get any port in this device. So let me show you how to connect this wired headphone to this device. Okay, so with the help of this adapter we can connect this wired headphone to this device. So at the, you can see the both sides. The one side is the C port and the other for the headphone, you can see. So the procedure is, first we need to put the C port to the charging port like this. Now we need to connect this headphone to here like this. Okay, so simply in this way you can connect the wired headphone to this device with the help of this adapter. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.